Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training. We had a question today. It was about I created a Hollow family with tutorials, but I don't change the cut length. Okay, there's a good question. So there are a few different things when you come to Hollow score core plank of cut length. So if I select this plank here, is a it gives you all these details, and there's your cut length to 22 feet, and you can see it right there. Okay, now to create this, now here I'm going to show you another one, family type here. We're going to just go and insert. I don't know how you created your family, but I do have some videos where I created families. So I'm going to insert, and we're going to load a family from Autodesk here. So let's go. So here we have some here. But I want to go up a bit and just take a look at something here. Concrete. Let's just look at concrete here. And we got a few items here, rectangular. But for this, I think we would stick with our precast. So let's select precast here. And then here below, they have a solid, and here's a hollow core slab. So let's select this one here. I'm going to load it into my project. And now in this project, I'll be in structure, and we go to place beam because it's that type of, and there it is. That's our 4HC6. And it also shows the cut length here. So here what happens is if I want to place this, I'll just place it here. And then that length you see is going to be the cut length. Okay, I'm going to cancel that. Send me a liar here. So if I select this, there's your cut length, 18 feet. So that's basically just it right here. You can change this to any distance you want. Now, let's look at this family in detail. So I'm going to select it. We want to edit this family type. So let's go into our reference level, have a look here, see how this guy was built. Okay, go to my floor plans reference level. Okay, so as you can see, look at my settings here, and these are the different parameters. So they don't show them here in this view. Maybe let's see if I grab another view here. They only showing this cut length for this, but they do have the other parameters, as you can see. So if I want to, let me see what happens if I change the width here to say 8. Okay, so that's set up. They got these parameters all set and they're working good. So these are new from Autodesk, which are good. Apply. Okay. But this is a very generic family. Now, I want to show you one that you can create. Now, one thing you have to remember, so let's look at this. Cancel this out. I want to go and look at this here, my family type categories, and it's under structural framing, and it's all base vertical. So these are common details, but you have to have this set if you create your own. Now, let's close this one out, go back into our project, and let's look at this other one now. Now I want to look at this one I created, one of mine from a past job. So I click it, and I look at its properties, and there are all of the settings. That's the cut length there. It's defaulted at 4 there. But here in this family, let's look at this one. Let's open this guy up. Let's edit this one type. This is old Span Creek family that I still had hanging around. So I'm going to, let's just cancel this. And let's go edit family here. Now here in this family, what was done, you just took a cross section of a family. And then here, let's go into my reference level. Okay, now here on my reference level, I'm showing more parameters. Okay, so here, if we go into our family types, we have a cut length here that we can use, and it can be, it's set at, you want to have this guy set at default, which will make it a type, well, not a type parameter, instance parameter. So those are the big differences here. So in this one, let's go back to the project. A 3D view here quickly. Oops, sorry. So these families are basically structural framing that I would create, and I would add more properties here. You know. Let's change this here to 18. Uh-oh. This is a default, so it'll take any shape. That's why it's doing that. It'll take any, anything here. So go here and say that one is 22.2. See, there's the cut length. And then these extensions are for the ends. If I go back into this family and have a look, this is important. So if you hit this guy, this gives you the distance from the end, say a 1/2 inch or whatever, and that would be here. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this quick video. You asked a question about the cut length. So I hope this helped. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe if you're new to this channel, and thank you all. Have a good day. Be safe, everybody. Bye. Please subscribe. Super thanks, too. Bye.